Hi, summer is approaching, COVID is retreating, at least for now, so it's time to talk about location-based games again. So within Loquiz, we have some really cool templates that are also location specific, but today we're going to focus on Photo Scavenger Hunt. So in Photo Hunt, you need to hunt for photos, and it is location specific so that the photo making possibility only appears when you are in a specific location. It is a free template in the sense that if you have a Loquiz account, you can use that template to create your games, and it is also ready to play template in the sense that it includes the photos already that you can freely use, or you can change them out as well. So we create the game, and you can see that we have 20 photos within the game. Now the first thing is that the photos are in English, and you might want to translate them. Maybe you want to change something out from there, and it's actually absolutely easy to do that. The easiest way to translate the photos is that if you just open the photo for editing, you change the text and you save it as a copy. That way you preserve all the media that is with the task. Now if you want to change out some of the tasks, you can just click on the X here. It gets thrown out from the game, and you can add new tasks into the game. You don't need to worry about the order of the tasks, because this game is not about the order at all. The players can choose the tasks randomly that they want to fulfill. Okay, let's focus on the rules now, and there are two rules. First rule is show all tasks on a map. So it just gives everything a location on a map. And the second task is about when does the game finish. The game finishes when all the tasks are done, or when 1 hour has passed from starting the game. And you can of course change the timer if you want to. These are all the rules we need for the game. And now, as you can see here, we are expected some locations to be given. And I will open the map in full screen, and let's put the game into the New York Central Park. Let's see if we can go there. We are in Manhattan, we are in Central Park, and I'm just going to use this part of the Central Park. I have not been there, so I don't really know how it's like there. But what I will do now is that I click map 20 times to locate the tasks there. And please pay attention to this gray area. This is now the activation radius. At the moment the radius is 10 meters, so you want to make sure that in order for the player to activate the task, they can walk into this area. It doesn't really matter where the icon is, but it's very important that the area is reachable. And as said, I'm not so much worried about the order of the tasks. I'm just going to click in different places so that every task is accessible by the location, and the players can then go to the different tasks randomly, basically. Now I'm going to go this way as well a little bit, so that it's a bit more challenging game, and we have 20 tasks on a map. Two things I like to check. First one, as I have not been there, I don't know how big the area really is, so you can use the measuring tool and just measure around the locations. And at the moment I have 1.6 kilometers, so probably the game is between 2 and 2.5 kilometers when it's played. So quite reasonable distance. And the second thing, I can also use another map, and I have been using Google Maps, but now just to double check that everything is cool, I'm using the OpenStreetMap as well. And as you can see, the one location here is actually on the bridge. So I didn't see that on the Google map, but I can see it from here. It doesn't change the actual map in the device. It just helps you to locate the tasks. Okay, so we are done with the locations. We are done with the rules, and we have 20 tasks in a game. Let's go to the configuration screen. Now here you can give the game a title, and we have a default title already set. Then you should probably review the intro message, because it includes the game rules, and also it includes the instructor number. Also the finish message is something you want to review, because depending on your event setup, you probably want the players to go to a specific place after they have played the game. So maybe it's back to the starting place, maybe it's a place nearby. We have a username and password for the game. You can change those, and then we just save it. After saving the game, we have a QR code that can be used to start the game, but you can also start the game with the username and password. And as it is a photo hunt, then you probably want to check out the results page as well. And in the results page, you can, see how the teams are doing. You can also showcase the photos, and there is also ability to actually give additional points to the photos. I have a separate video about that, so go and check that out as well. And this is very simple but quite cool photo scavenger hunt that you can do in your own location. Thanks.